Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Countryman. The Countryman is a bright idea. 4 doors, more interior space, and positioning that evokes the rally heritage of the original Mini. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, panoramic moonroof, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, power tailgate, 4-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.